Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S53. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and go to menu. Enter Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Then, let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's lock the screen, and now you can simply swipe through the bottom left corner to use Google Assistant. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 66 and a low of 46.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.